Hello everyone, welcome to another coding demo. Today I will talk about how to organize a Python project, which includes structuring the files and folders, creating a Makefile to keep track of things, packaging the code so other people can install your library, versioning, and if time allows, I will also implement some of the business logic. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. So here I already created a repo on GitHub, and this is the URL. So at the moment there aren't much content yet. We have a README file, and the real README is actually behind this link. So the goal is to create a command line tool. It takes a repo name, some keyword, and spit out some URLs. You can see more descriptions of this project following another link. Okay, what it does doesn't really matter. Let's just go to the terminal. So at this moment, we only have the README. I already copied the clone the repo here. So first, what we want to do is create two folders. One is called PURL, the other is tests. Test is where we put the test files. PURL is where we put the source code. And you can see we actually, the root folder is called PURL, and the source code is inside the root folder with the same name. Okay, so there are two things we want to generate in here. Let's create three source code. One of them is the init, one of them is the main, and the other one, let's say, called util. So the init will make your make this folder library, so it become importable. Main.py is needed here because this is a terminal tool, and this is the entry point when the user triggers the command. Okay, so the next thing is we need a requirements.txt. Suppose you have external dependencies, you will put the external dependencies in here. So I actually will use external third-party library called Click, which is used for generating command line tools. Okay, this is already installed. I actually just want to know the version number. Okay, click greater and equal to this number requirement. Okay, so next what we do is we want I always put a Makefile here. You can copy it from another project. So I usually put all the bookkeeping stuff here. For example, you can do the test, you can do the distribution, uploading to PyPy, etc. Also here, I usually do the pip install -e. So this line means we will install the current package as developer mode, as in the developer mode, which means any change you make in the source code will take effect because this installation just links the files that way. So if you don't do -e, like what you do in the normal installation pip install, you will actually copy the source code into some system Python library path, and then you don't have that connection. If you make an update, you have to reinstall the package. Okay, we can do the make install and see what happens. Yeah, it doesn't really matter here because we didn't create this file yet. Okay, we can actually copy it over from the other repo as well. So this will set up, this setup.py will make your code repo installable. This is the packaging part. Okay, so I want to get rid of the guitar, which is the other project, and call it PURL. Okay. I mean, there's not too much to explain for this setup.py. You just need to copy a template and fill in the details. It's just a matter of formality. Okay, there are many things I don't really want anymore because it's all from a different repo. Okay, looks. I think we don't need this one. So this is a you need this line if you have some non-source code files that need to be installed. Okay, we don't really need this at the moment. Okay, we can try this again. Okay, seems to be installable. It's a little weird. Well, I guess it's okay because we created the main.py already, even though it's an empty file. Okay. Oh, since we are here, let me just do another thing. Let's copy the another file over, which is init.py to PURL. So there's some content in here. This is basically the versioning. Oh, we also need to change the guitar. So what it does here is it will get the versioning you defined in the setup.py here, and you will have a versioning right there. And every time, if you needed the versioning, you can just call out to this version. Let me show you what I mean. So let's say we do Python 3. We can import PURL. This is already installed. And if we do PURL dot version, it already is there. Okay, good. Okay, I actually don't know how long it is. I can make it a little more real. We can implement some business logic. So we can make a simple command line from the click. Okay. What do we want? We want a repo name, which is an option. Command. Okay, we also so this line makes it a command line. Option. You can say it's -r or --repo, and it will become repo. Okay. We can put some help information here, which is what the repo name. Okay. So besides that, we also have an argument, which is required. what is the argument? Argument is some keyword. Let's just call it keyword. Keyword help is search keyword. So it's keyword here. Let's just print them out. Repo and keyword. If name equals main, we will call out to the main. Okay, let's try if it works. URL. Whoa, unexpected argument help. Oh, I think this. Oh, I remembered it. So, for some reason, the option doesn't support help. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. Unexpected keyboard argument help. Which line is it? Let's just get rid of the help and see what happens. Somehow remember it is allowed to have help for that guy. Okay, let's see. Oh, now it works. Let's do -r apple some keyword. Okay, it seems to work. Okay, that's what I want to show for now. Hope this is useful. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.